Namaskar. Welcome to Sadhya podcast series on social issues. Today's topic is poverty, which will cover your UPSC CSC mains GS paper 2 under social justice. The source of content is primarily from the Hindu and the Indian Express articles. Poverty. क्या होती है गरीबी? Poverty is a state or condition in which a person or community lacks the financial resources and essentials for a minimum standard of living. Poverty means that the income level from employment is so low that basic human needs can't be met. World Bank के हिसाब से poverty is pronounced deprivation in well-being and comprises many dimensions. It includes low incomes and inability to acquire the basic goods and services necessary for survival with dignity. Poverty also encompasses low level of health and education, poor access to clean water and sanitization, inadequate physical security, lack of voice, and insufficient capacity and opportunity to better one's life. 2011 के सेंसस के हिसाब से इंडिया की ओवरऑल पॉपुलेशन में से लगभग 21.9% पॉपुलेशन बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन है. नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ पॉवर्टी. There are two main classification of poverty. First, absolute poverty. Second, relative poverty. Absolute poverty, a condition where household income is below a necessary level to maintain basic living standard, roti kapda makan, food, shelter and housing. This condition makes it possible to compare between different countries and also over time. It was first introduced in 1990. The dollar a day poverty line measures absolute poverty by standards of world's poorest countries. Relative poverty. It is defined from the social perspective, that is living standard compared to the economic standard of population living in surroundings. Hence, it is a measure of income inequality. Usually, relative poverty is measured as a percentage of population with income less than some fixed proportion of median income. Poverty estimate कौन करता है इंडिया में? Poverty estimation in India is carried out by Niti Aayog's task force through the calculation of poverty line based on the data captured by the National Sample Survey Office under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, which is formally called MOSPI. Poverty line estimation in India is based on the consumption expenditure and not on the income level. Poverty is measured based on consumer expenditure surveys of National Sample Survey Organization. A poor household is defined as one with an expenditure level below a specific poverty line. The incidence of poverty is measured by the poverty ratio, which is the ratio of number of poor to the total population expressed as a percentage. It is also known as head count ratio. Alag Committee 1979 determined a poverty line based on a minimum daily requirement of 24 to 2100 kilocalories for an adult in rural and urban area respectively. कुछ और कमिटीज़ भी बाद में बनी, जिसमें लक्कड़वाला कमेटी 1993, तेंदुलकर कमेटी in 2009, Rangarajan Committee in 2012 did the poverty estimation. As per the Rangarajan Committee report in 2014, the poverty line is estimated as monthly per capita expenditure of rupees 1407 1407 in urban areas and 972 which is rupees 972 in rural areas. क्या मुख्य वजह हैं poverty in India में? Causes of poverty in India. First, population explosion. India's population has steadily increased through the years. During the past 45 years, it has risen at the rate of 2.2% per year, which means on average about 17 million people are added to the country's population each year. This also increases the demand for consumption goods tremendously. Second, low agricultural productivity. A major reason for poverty in the low productivity in agricultural sector. The reason for low productivity is manifold. Chiefly, it is because of fragmented and subdivided land holdings, lack of capital, illiteracy about new technologies in farming, the use of traditional methods of cultivation, wastage during storage, and etc. Third, inefficient resource utilization. There is an underemployment and disguised unemployment in the country, particularly in the farming sector. This has resulted in low agricultural output and also led to a dip in the standard of living. Fourth, low level of economic development. Economic development has been low in India, especially in the first 40 years of independence before the LPG reforms in 1991, liberalization, privatization, and globalization. Fifth, price rise. Price rise has been steady in the country, and this has added to the burden the poor carry. Although a few people have benefited from this, the lower income groups have suffered because of it and are not even able to satisfy their basic minimum wants. Sixth, berozgari, unemployment. Unemployment is another factor causing poverty in India. The ever increasing population has led to a higher number of job seekers. However, there is not enough expansion in opportunities to match this demand for jobs. Lack of capital and entrepreneurship. The shortage of capital and entrepreneurship results in low level of investment and job creation in the economy. Social factor. Apart from economic factor, there are social factors hindering the eradication of poverty in India. Some of the hindrance in this regards are the laws of inheritance, caste system, certain tradition, etc. Next, colonial exploitation. The British colonization and rule over India for about 2 centuries deindustrialized India by ruining its traditional handicraft and textile industries. Colonial policies transformed India to a mere raw material producer for European industries. And lastly, climate factor. Most of India's poor belong to the state of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, etc. Natural calamities such as frequent floods, disaster, earthquake, cyclone causes heavy damage to the agriculture in these states. Next, सरकार द्वारा पॉवर्टी को ख़त्म करने के लिए कुछ पॉलिसीज़ एंड प्रोग्राम विच इज़ पॉवर्टी एलिवेशन प्रोग्राम इन इंडिया. फर्स्ट, इंटीग्रेटेड रूरल डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम विच इज़ IRDP. सेकेंड, जवाहर रोजगार योजना जिसे हम जवाहर ग्राम समृद्धि योजना भी कहते हैं. रूरल हाउसिंग विच इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इंदिरा आवास योजना. फूड फॉर वर्क प्रोग्राम. नेशनल ओल्ड एज पेंशन स्कीम जिसे हम NOAPS भी कहते हैं. अन्नपूर्णा स्कीम. संपूर्ण ग्रामीण रोजगार योजना. मनरेगा, महात्मा गांधी नेशनल रूरल एम्प्लॉयमेंट गारंटी एक्ट. नेशनल रूरल लिवलीहुड मिशन जिसे हम आजीविका 2011 में जो लॉन्च हुआ था. नेशनल अर्बन लिवलीहुड मिशन. प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना एंड प्रधानमंत्री जनधन योजना. सो आज के टॉपिक का कंक्लूजन ये है. पॉइंट नंबर 1, द ग्लोबल मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स 2018 के हिसाब से द यूनाइटेड नेशन नोटेड दैट almost 271 million people moved out of poverty between 2005 to 6 and 2015 to 16 in India. The poverty rate in the country has nearly halved, falling from 55% to 28% over the 10-year period. Still, a big part of population in India is living below poverty line. Second, rapid economic growth and the use of technology for social sectors program have helped make a significant dent in extreme poverty in the country. Third, which is last, despite rapid growth and development, an unacceptably high proportion of our population continues to suffer from severe and multidimensional deprivation. Thus, a more comprehensive and inclusive approach is required to eradicate poverty in India. So, गरीबी एक सामाजिक समस्या है और सरकार की समस्या भी है. तो आइए हम साथ मिलकर इसको ख़त्म करने का प्रण लेते हैं. So, thank you so much for your valuable time. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe all our channels and please do tag us as well. मिलते हैं अगले पॉडकास्ट में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. Thank you so much. जय हिंद, जय भारत.